Hello and congratulations on writing your first Python program if you have never programmed before. I know it feels exciting, it feels powerful, and you cannot wait to learn more so that you can turn your crazy ideas into program statements. However, the aim of this course is to turn you into an engineer, and engineers do not simply know how to create things, but they also know how to think about what they create, okay, and how their creations actually work. And so, in the next video, which I'm going to keep very short, I am going to give you a super high level overview of computer hardware. And the essence of that is to help you to know how to think about your programs. Because at the end of the day, you are going to write a program as a source code in a test file. And yet, through some magic, this test file or the test that you type in your source code is going to get executed by a computer hardware. And so I want to share with you a very simple, super high level knowledge that will help you to bridge the gap between those two. And so I just want to encourage you to stay with me in the next video and try your best to understand what I'm going to share with you. It is not detailed, but I'm just going to give you enough information to help you to know how to think about your program. So thank you very much, and I will see you in our hardware class.